Kerning is the process of adjusting the space between individual letters to improve the visual appeal and readability of text. In Canva, while you can't adjust the space between individual letter bars, you can modify the overall spacing between all letters in the text box. Known as letter spacing or tracking, Canva, while a popular and user-friendly graphic design platform, does not support kerning adjustments for individual letter pairs. I don't know why, but I think this limitation is because Canva focused on accessibility for non-professional designers rather than providing advanced typography tools. However, if you are a graphic designer, proper letter spacing matters. It simply ensures that your text is easy to read and visually appealing. Too much space can make words appear disconnected, while too little space can cause letters to merge together, making the text hard to read. So, while you cannot kern in Canva, you can still adjust letter spacing. First, open your project and click on the text box containing the text you want to adjust. Then, in the toolbar above the editor, click on the spacing button. A slider will appear labeled letter spacing. Drag the slider to the right to increase spacing or to left to decrease it. Continue adjusting until you achieve the desired look. While Canva doesn't offer kerning for individual letter pairs, you can achieve a similar effect by breaking your text into separate text boxes. For each letter or group of letters you want to adjust, create a separate text box. Move each text box manually to adjust the spacing between letters. Once satisfied with the spacing, select all the individual letter boxes and group them together by clicking the Group button. This method allows for precise control over letter spacing, but can be time-consuming. It's particularly useful for logos or headings where specific letter spacing is crucial. So, remember, while Canva's letter spacing tool is straightforward, achieving the perfect look may require some patience and experimentation. Trust your eye and don't be afraid to make adjustments until your text look just right. So, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you want, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials about Canva.